I want you guys to spread this video like wildfire. Let's save lives. I just spoke with a friend who got called into an emergency meeting at the hospital over at Kaiser. He said the virus is spreading quickly from gas pumps, right? Makes complete sense, right? You need to fill up your car, you forget, and next person touches it, and this stuff sits on that surface for days. It can survive for days. He said to wear gloves or have a paper towel, touch the pump and throw the napkin or gloves out before you get back into the car. And the same, my friends, applies to shopping carts. These are the two number one methods of spreading the coronavirus are through gas pumps and shopping carts. We all need to go shop. We grab that shopping cart. We forget, right? We don't know who's been there. So we have to work together. So get this video out ASAP, put it in social media, put it into groups, chat rooms, YouTube it, whatever you have to do, tweet it out. But if we work together and can get this message to millions and millions of people today, we've done our job. Drive safe, be safe. Thank you.